Hi, Rep VanScoter here, owner of VanScoter Insurance Agency. Thanks for checking out my video blog. This week I'm talking about an article I saw in the paper last week, or an announcement. It was in the Democrat Chronicle. It says, teen faces up to 4 years for fatal golf cart crash. So what happened is a Genesee County teen admitted that she caused the death of a friend when she crashed her golf cart on a rural road last year. Cortney Greene was driving a golf cart on Route 237 in Byron under the influence of alcohol and drugs when a northbound car came over the hill and rear-ended them. Greene and her passenger, Zachary Rusin, were both thrown from the vehicle, and the next day, Rusin passed away. This was a horrible accident that obviously could have been avoided. Whenever I read a story like this, I always ask myself, how would an insurance policy respond? You know, the insurance industry is giving me a tainted view of the world now, because whenever I read any sort of story or scenario or I see anything, first thing that comes to my mind is, what are the insurance repercussions for this? It's just something that if you've been in the industry for a while, anyone who's in it knows that you have a different view of the world than other people. So, let's run down the scenario from my perspective, an insurance agent's perspective. So, the first thing, what's going to be covered? Alright, let's go through. The person's car, there's obviously going to be damage from it. They hit the golf cart. So, the damage to the car will be covered by their auto insurances, by that person's auto insurance policy if they have purchased collision coverage, and it will be subject to their deductible. So whether they have a $500 or $200 deductible or $100 deductible, that's what they're going to be subject to. Next, the golf cart. Is there going to be any damage for, let's assume the golf cart is totaled. It's a small vehicle, it was hit by a big vehicle, most likely it's totaled. Will the owners of that golf cart get any money to have it replaced? Unfortunately, no. Unless they have purchased a separate insurance policy on that golf cart. Because that golf cart was away from the resident's premise. Now that's important. What most people don't realize, that you actually have coverage for your golf cart on your property. If you hurt someone on your property via your golf cart, you have liability coverage. If the golf cart's stolen from your property, you have coverage. As long as that golf cart is used to service your premises, service your home. As soon as that golf cart leaves your home, even if once it enters the street, you do not have coverage for it anymore. Now here's a caveat. Some policies will include coverage. So all policies are different. You want to consult with your insurance agent or company first to know whether or not your golf cart or any other motor vehicle is covered off your premises. So that's an important note. Now, next off, Greene and Rusin both went to the hospital. Who is going to pay for their medical bills? Hopefully they had health insurance. Because as we know, the person who drove the vehicle was not at fault in the accident, so their auto policy will not respond to pay for their medical bills. And since the golf cart was off the premises, there's no liability coverage to cover either the passengers of that golf cart as well. Now, next off, will the Rusin family, the family of the deceased child, be able to get any compensation for the death of their son? The unfortunate answer is most likely no. Their best shot to get any money is they're probably going to sue Greene, but Greene, being 18 years old, probably doesn't have any assets that would adequately compensate them for the death of their son. So they'll probably sue Greene, sue her family if she's still living at home, and then in a long shot chance that they might get some insurance money, they'll probably sue the driver of the car as well. Lucky for the driver of the car, the insurance company will pay to defend them and will defend them. So the driver of that car has pretty much very little to worry about in that case. So, to sum up the scenario, there's not much insurance money going around in this claim. Pretty much the only thing that's going to be covered is the damage to the person driving the car's vehicle if they purchase collision coverage. Now, this is an unfortunate scenario. If you have any golf carts or any other motorized vehicles at home that are used to service your property or just toys that you take places, and you're wondering if you have the appropriate coverage for it, give us a call. at the number below, and we'd be happy to help you out with your no obligation free quote. Thank you.